In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a PowerPoint presentation on Zoom. Whether you're preparing to deliver an important presentation for work or simply want to create a recorded video for educational purposes, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Let's dive right in, starting with opening your PowerPoint file. First, you'll want to have your PowerPoint presentation ready to go on your computer. Ensure that it's open and all your slides are in order. This will make it easier when you start sharing your screen in Zoom. Now, let's move on to starting and configuring your Zoom meeting. Open up the Zoom desktop application. Once you're in, click on the New Meeting button to kick off a fresh session. This will launch a new Zoom meeting, and you'll be the host. With your meeting underway, it's time to share your PowerPoint screen. Look down towards the bottom of the Zoom window, and you'll see a button labeled Share Screen. Give that a click. A new window will pop up, presenting you with different sharing options. You have the choice to either share the specific PowerPoint window or your entire desktop. Pick the one that suits you best, then click Share. Once you've done that, switch your PowerPoint to slideshow mode to ensure your presentation takes center stage. Here's an important tip. If your presentation includes sound, make sure to check the box labeled Share Sound, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of the Share window before you hit Share. This ensures that any audio from your presentation will be captured in the recording. Now that your screen is shared and your slides are visible, it's time to start recording. Hover your mouse over the Zoom Meeting Controls toolbar. On the far right of this toolbar, you'll see the More option, which is represented by a 3 dots icon. Click on it, and then select Record from the drop-down menu. You'll hear an audio prompt announcing Recording in Progress, and a small red light will appear on your toolbar, indicating that the recording has begun. As you go through your presentation, feel free to speak clearly and engage with your slides just as you would in a live setting. If at any point you need a break or want to pause the recording, you can hover over the Zoom toolbar again, click on More, and select the Pause button. This will temporarily halt the recording until you're ready to continue. Once you've finished presenting, it's time to wrap up the recording. Hover over the Zoom toolbar one last time, click on More, and select Stop Recording. This will conclude the recording session, and Zoom will save your video file to your computer. And there you have it. You now know how to record a PowerPoint presentation on Zoom with ease. This process is perfect for creating professional-looking presentations that you can share with colleagues, students, or anyone else who might benefit from your insights. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.